What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to NJ Printing. If you haven't already subscribed, do that right now. And let's hop right into the video. Today we are loading and unloading the filament from the printer. So what you're going to be doing when you're unloading is you're going to run the extruder axis in reverse while heating the extruder. The extruder needs to be warm for this process to work. Pull out sharply, but not too sharply. Give it a little tug, but the gears should pull it up mostly for you. You shouldn't have to do much work on that. So let's heat up the printer. All right, so just like I said, you need to pull out sharply and not too sharply. It should do it for you. So let me get a screen view. All right, guys, so again, this is the screen view. And to do this, I'm going to be going to the tools section and the filament. Mine has a built-in system, but if yours doesn't, then just like I said, you're going to run the extruder axis in reverse, and the extruder does need to be hot. So I have my yellow filament in, so I'm going to unload that. And it's gonna heat up, so I'll see you guys when it's heated up. All right, guys, so now, as you can hear maybe, the little high-pitched sounds. So let's come around here. So it's loosening up. So all I do is basically touch it. And the gears are moving in reverse now, so it's very easy. I just touched it and it all came out. And you wanna make sure, you see that little strand? The little string here, you need to make sure, so don't pull out tightly because sometimes there may be some left in the extruder because that will clog up your extruder. All right, guys, so what you're gonna be doing for loading is you're gonna choose your new filament, and all different filaments have different temperatures. So you're gonna find that temperature on the filament roll. It should say that somewhere on the front. And you're gonna do the new temperature. So this is the filament that I chose right here. I'm choosing this one. It's the Hatchbox glow-in-the-dark 3D printer filament. So it's just Hatchbox here, glow-in-the-dark. And I'm gonna load this on the top, right there. On the top I have a spool holder. So I'll see you guys after I put it around. All right, guys, but I do need to give you a screen view. So my filament is on there. It's the glow-in-the-dark Hatchbox. And so you put it through the hole, but before I do that, I'm going to be showing you here the screen view, how I do it. So you can do that on any printer you have, but for mine, I have a built-in setting for loading and unloading, just like I said. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to load the filament. So this heats it up so the filament can go through, but it's already heated up because I just unloaded it, so I need to be hot for unloading. Here's a good view. So I'm going to take my filament, and I'm going to press down this lever here. I'm gonna get in, there's one hole it goes through, and I got it my first try. Sometimes it may take you a couple times to get it through, but if you can see on the bottom, I'm pushing it through, the filament is it is filtering through on the bottom, right there. So yeah, you want that to come out, you want a good amount just to filter out the yellow, excess yellow. And you can just pull that away. It's a little hot, so be careful. All right, guys, so that's basically how you do it. So again, when you're loading the filament, you do want to make sure that you run the extruder axis forward while heating the extruder and push through. And at the end, you may need to possibly clean the extruder. As you can see, quick zoom in view. It is clumping up a little on the extruder, but you can just pull that away. So yeah, that is the easy way to load and unload your filament. If you have any questions, comment it down below in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Click right here to subscribe, and right here to see a previous video. See ya!